The NXT20, small in size, big in performance. At 20 feet, it's the most accessible way into the MasterCraft family. Perfect for smaller crews, tighter spaces, and riders who want pro-level wakes and waves without the oversized footprint. With SurfStar, setup is instant. Hit a rapid surf preset and ride clean, consistent waves instantly, or fine-tune your wave with ballast, speed, and surf device positioning. And thanks to NXT Faster Fill, you're on the water riding in under 9 minutes. Power comes from the Ilmor 5.3-liter high-output engine, delivering 380 horsepower, proven torque, reliable pool, and all-day efficiency. Not to mention, it outperforms all other engines in its class. Inside, the NXT20 punches above its weight. New pleated upholstery zones bring a more refined look, RGB lighting with 11 controllable zones sets the tone, and Cool Feel vinyl keeps seats cooler all day. Despite its size, wraparound seating, hinged underseat storage, and an optional convertible flip seat give your crew plenty of space to spread out. At the helm, a 7-inch touchscreen with SurfStar controls comes standard. Plus, you're getting keyless ignition, sleep and away modes, wireless phone charging, and an ergonomic captain's chair, so the experience feels effortless from the driver's seat. All-new soundstage audio brings a powerful, directional sound experience to every seat, while the Z6 tower, standard in all silver and available in white, flint gray, and black, adds versatility and presence. Top it off with new gel coat and upholstery options, and it's yours to make your own. The NXT20 feels bigger than it is, works harder than you expect, and makes every day on the water worth remembering. Looking for a deeper dive into all the NXT family has to offer? Head to our site to watch the full walkthrough video.